Hi guys, this is the one of the few videos that I'm gonna be posting so you can get through the second part of the homework I gave you. Um, Really and truly, if you don't remember, I'm just going to try and remind you of a few symbols on this problem. This is, I believe, number 3 in your work, and it asks you to find angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. And um, once you figure out what these symbols mean here, I believe in my heart that you'll be able to figure this out. What these symbols mean is that these lines here are parallel and these lines here are parallel. And once you figure out that this is a parallelogram, when you have this line from angle to angle from N to P, this is a bisector, right? So these two triangles are congruent, and you can see it. Like if you turned the triangle or flipped the triangle so that this fit inside of this, you would see that you would take it and flip it upside down and then spin it, and then this would be right along here, and you see that you have two congruent triangles. Now, this is easy to solve if you already know that these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent and this is 60 and this is 60, then this has to be 60. So you already know that these two are 60. The theorem that we were working with is the exterior angle theorem, and that said that this angle here has to be the same as the sum of these two angles here. Okay, this angle on the outside has to equal the sum of these two angles, right? Because both this and this equal 180, and these two together plus this equal 180. So we already discussed that. That was during our virtual class today, and if you missed it, then you'll have to get up and get to virtual class on time. But that's what it says, and that's what it says on the top of your paper. And so the easy part about this is if these are parallel and these are parallel, these two are congruent. And so this has to be 60 and this has to be 60. And we can fill in the other 60s. And this has to be equal to the sum of these two. And so 3 has to be 120. So 1 is 60. 2 is 60, and 3 is 120. And I didn't mean to do all the work for you, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what these symbols mean.